Now you can see on this one that I actually am not using graph paper. Sometimes I think that for these types of problems, when you're just referencing variables, it's actually just as easy to picture what's going on if you don't have the grid lines to distract you. So I'm just going to plot these points generally here. I know that Q is 0, 0, so I'll mark that Q. 0, 0. I know that R is equal to 0, 2W, which means that R has to be up here somewhere. 0, 2W. Don't know exactly where that is, but just in this general vicinity. S, well, let's go to this one. Let's go to T. T is equal to 2L, 0. So that means it's over here somewhere. We know that this is going to be 2L, this is going to be 0 because it hasn't moved at all. Now, we know that S is 2L, 2W. So S has to be lined up with the point, so this was point T. S is going to have to be lined up here because it has these segments that match up with this one and this one. So 2L, 2W. All right, so find the coordinates of the midpoint of QR. All we want to do is find the midpoint of QR. Well, can you see, people, that the distance from here up to here is going to be 2W, all right? So the distance, half that distance, has to be divided by 2, and of course the x-coordinate is 0. So we have 0 divided by 2, but you know that's trivial. So the coordinates of the midpoint of QR are 0, W.